Hello, welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. We update the inventory weekly. My name is Jeff, and I'd like to tell you about this 2010 E350 4MATIC. The E350 4MATIC is all-wheel drive. It's a V6 engine. This is solid black with black interior. This has the factory sport package. Gives you different styling on the front and rear bumpers, as well as the side rocker cover. Gives you sport wheels. These are 18-inch sport wheels. Also a sport suspension. Gives you a sport steering wheel. There's the power moonroof. Has a 3-position memory seats on both sides, and they are heated. Power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And the memory will remember where you set the steering wheel, the seats, and the mirrors. This is a very good sized sedan. Has lots of room. Rear headrests. Power rear shade. With the sport model, you get the square exhaust tips versus the round ones. And as I mentioned, different bumper styling. Here we are on the inside. I'm just going to start it for you. Oops. Here's a look at the command screen. There's navigation. Backup camera. Premium sound system. Automatic climate control. And this has the real dark wood. It has a grain, but it's very, very dark, and it really looks sharp with the chrome trim or the stainless steel trim and the black interior. Here we are back on the outside. The body is in beautiful condition. The paint is like new. It's not dinged or scratched at all. You can see the lighting effect. And as I mentioned, the passenger seat is power with the 3-position memory. Drives excellent. It was previously certified by Mercedes, and it's had great service history since. Please review the CARFAX. You can see all the details. Thank you for your time. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this beautiful Mercedes. Thank you.